Meow. So this little kitty is playing with something. I'm not sure I'm going to put the sunglasses in there, but kitty will be playing with something. Got this double speed right now, and it's going to get a little faster as we get towards the end. Just mapping in the shapes. I'm just trying to get really fluid lines to keep the life in the drawing. And I'll be correcting as I go. Just making sure things line up. I love doing drawings with paws. Paws are one of my favorite parts to draw on a kitty. So much expression there. Those back legs are going to appear pretty small. I put them in a little bit too big at first. Yep, not quite right. Need a bit of a line there to help me place the eyes. Yeah, those paws needed to move over a little bit. So we'll fix that up. You'll find the link to our cat drawing art workshop Facebook group in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links too. And we'd be happy if you check it out and join us if you really want to draw cats. See, I don't worry about overlap at this stage. It's more about getting the shapes in the right places. We can deal with that later. I don't erase a whole bunch, just enough to get it out of the way if it really is distracting for me putting down new lines. But a lot of times the lines, the incorrect lines that I already have there help me place a new line, so sometimes I just don't get rid of them at all. And they just become background tone and movement anyways in the drawing at the end. Made those eyes a little bit too skinny. Just fix them up. More controlled stroke. So when I start to tighten up a little more is when I start getting the facial features in. Feel out where that nose goes. Yeah. And like that. A little better. Can really add a lot of expression to the drawing through the paws. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions make this channel purr, and we'd be happy to have you help us build the community. So hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss a video. That open mouth. I'll straighten up some of those lines I do like. Those back legs certainly need to look a lot smaller. And now we're going a little faster. Making my corrections and strengthening lines up and just putting the finishing touches on it. Refining it. Sometimes the reason I erase is because I feel like I've really gotten overdoing it on some lines, and too many lines, too much in a drawing distracts the eye away from the focal point. So drop me a comment, let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing. I'd love to hear from you, even if it's just to tell me your cat's name. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.